Look closely at your morning routine. Meet Jordan. He is a regular guy who absolutely loves his morning routine, specifically his daily $5 premium iced coffee. To Jordan, this $5 purchase feels completely harmless, just a tiny drop in the financial bucket that brings him a quick burst of joy before a long workday. But what if I told you that this innocent little morning habit is actually a massive, silent wealth killer? Enter Maya. She understands a hidden economic rule that Jordan is completely blind to. It is called opportunity cost, the invisible price tag attached to every single decision we make. When you choose to spend money on one thing today, you are simultaneously choosing to give up everything else that specific cash could have earned for you in the future. Jordan thinks he is only trading a crisp $5 bill for a transient caffeine kick. But the true math tells a radically different story. To reveal this hidden reality, Maya pulls out a special pair of X-ray tech lookalikes called FinScribble Glasses and slides them onto her face. Instantly, the entire cafe environment transforms. Through her lenses, Jordan's premium $5 coffee cup loses its paper sleeve and morphs into a single glowing red construction brick. Maya explains that every $5 bill in your wallet is not just currency, it is a literal building block for your financial future. If you buy the coffee, you are essentially taking that red brick and tossing it straight into the garbage can by the exit. But if you hold on to that cash, that single brick remains yours to use. Jordan looks at his cup, seeing only delicious espresso, entirely unaware that he holds a piece of a literal foundation. He smiles, takes a massive sip, completely blind to the architectural sacrifice he makes with every single swallow. Let us scale this habit up to see how the numbers compounding over time completely shift the narrative. Jordan buys this $5 premium coffee every single day, which adds up to roughly $150 every month. Week after week, he happily walks out of the cafe, while the animation reveals a trail of red bricks dropping out of his pockets and falling straight into a sewer grate. Meanwhile, Maya decides to pack her own homebrewed coffee and redirects that exact same $150 every month straight into a basic index fund. She is systematically stacking her red bricks neatly inside a secure digital vault. Jordan thinks Maya is simply depriving herself of life's little pleasures just to save a few measly bucks. In reality, she is accumulating raw building materials, preparing to activate the most powerful wealth-building machine in human history. That machine is compound interest, and this is where the real magic happens. When Maya invests her $150 a month at a standard 8% average market return, her bricks do something incredible. They begin to clone themselves. One red brick miraculously splits into 2, then 4, then 8. In the first few years, the growth looks agonizingly slow, and Jordan laughs because his daily coffee brings immediate satisfaction, while Maya's vault only has a tiny pile of bricks. But compound interest is a snowball rolling down a massive mountain. By year 15, the cloning process accelerates violently, and those bricks begin assembling themselves into a beautiful, solid structural foundation completely on autopilot. Maya does not have to do any extra labor. The historical power of the market is doing all the heavy lifting, turning her small daily discipline into an unstoppable geometric explosion. Fast forward 30 years into the future for the ultimate financial reveal. Maya stands proudly next to a stunning multi-story brick mansion, complete with a beautiful roof, all built from that single daily choice. The math is absolutely mind-blowing because her individual $5 choices have compounded into over 225,000 real-world dollars. Now, look at poor Jordan. He is standing right next to her, completely buried under a monstrous, unstable mountain of over 10,000 empty, crumpled paper coffee cups. But this story does not have to end in financial tragedy for Jordan or for you. Suddenly, Maya reaches over and slides her magical FinScribble glasses onto Jordan's face, instantly breaking his decades of economic blindness. Jordan gasps as his next morning coffee transforms into that familiar, vibrant red construction brick right before his eyes. This time, he hesitates, looks at the cafe counter, and firmly sets the cup down, unbought. He pulls out his smartphone, opens a brokerage account, and chooses to invest his very first $5 building block instead. The invisible price tag of opportunity cost is finally clear to him. Every dollar you possess is a tiny worker capable of building your ultimate freedom. Stop throwing your future mansion away for temporary comfort. Look past the immediate price tag. Protect your building blocks and start constructing your financial empire today. As always, appreciate you hanging out today. See you in the next one.